Hi. We're going to open up a Salesforce data source in this video. And to do that, we're just going to right-click here and open up a data source. Every data source gets a name. I'm just going to call this one Salesforce. If you're going to share this data source among multiple projects or multiple people, it's just opening it up as a remote database file. But I'm just going to use it for myself, so I'm going to keep it as a local one. So in order to actually open one up, I need to know a bunch of things, right? I need to know the logon I want to use to connect to Salesforce. I need to know the password for that logon. I need to know the security code. This PC needs to be in that range of security stuff, and then I need to know the location of that XML file that we downloaded previously. So I'm going to just start off by telling it, look, go ahead and use this. We're going to be reading it. We're going to use virtual tables to talk to the objects within Salesforce. You'll learn more about that later. We're going to use SOAP access to actually talk to Salesforce. And then it asks what kinds of authorization method we're going to be using. We'll use Salesforce's. Now here is my login to Salesforce. And the next thing I'm going to actually do is give it my password with the security token appended to it. The security tokens are kind of long, so I'm going to cut and paste it, but you should be putting your password first. So like if my password was pass, I'd type pass here, and then right after that, I would type the security token. And if the security token was 1234, then I would type pass 1234 in my SOAP password. But luckily, as you'll see, I have written it off to someplace else. You can see how long it is. Whoa. And then I need to tell it where we kept that XML file that contains the WDSL definition of all the objects in Salesforce. And again, because I type horribly, I'm cutting and pasting it in there. So I'm reading it. Authorization method. Don't forget your password plus your security code, and then the location of the WDSL file. Let's click OK. So now what's actually happening is Salesforce is making sure that I'm a good guy and is connecting it. And we have a connection. Yay! All right, let's work on to the next video, which is connecting a CSV file.